Now, I will explain the ideal conditions for optimum performance, maintenance, and troubleshootings of ion pH meter. 1 shows on display indicating A. The electrode is dried out. Dip the electrode in a 1000 ppm solution for 1 hour or a 100 by 10 ppm solution overnight. B. The measured value is out of range. Check the membrane of the electrode and wash it with distilled water. 2. ERR shows on display, meaning A. The sample solution is out of range. Prepare fresh solutions. B. The electrode is not working. Replace the electrode. 3. A stable power supply is essential for the instrument. 4. Dilution from 1000 ppm, 100 ppm, 10 ppm should be accurate and precise. 5. Use ARGR grade chemicals and double distilled water for the preparation of standard solutions. 6. The weighing of chemicals should be precise, preferably using a 0.1 mg balance. 7. For fluoride, ISE 19, use plastic containers, do not use glass containers, as they may react with the fluoride, ISE. 8. For ammonia, ISE 17, measurements should be conducted in tightly sealed bottles to avoid gas leakage. 9. When not in use, keep the ISE in its box in a dry condition. 10. If not in use for a long time, empty the IFS from the electrode. 11. If solutions are contaminated, prepare fresh solutions and conduct the analysis. 12. Use soft tissue paper for wiping the ISE. 13. Use a magnetic stirrer for better results during measurement. 14. At high temperatures, above 50 degrees Celsius, and low temperatures, below 10 degrees Celsius, use the electrode for a short time only, as extreme temperatures affect the life of the ion pH electrode. 15. For sulfide, ISE 32, prepare a fresh standard solution, 100 ppm, and perform a serial dilution. Thank you.